Hey guys, we are now on Maboning side, one of the coffee shops that we're in. It's an incredible shop, as you can see. As you can see, that it's also clean. They're even maintaining the Corona standards and the rules. Yeah, as you can see. Thank you.